I'm Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let's try to understand the benefits of folic acid when you're trying to get pregnant. Folic acid is known to develop red blood cells in the body. It's very important for production of DNA inside every cell. It's also very important for cell division. Suppose there is a wear and tear, suppose there is an injury, and for cells to divide and for your recovery, folic acid is supposed to have very good benefits in such a case. Studies have shown that folate or folic acid also helps in battling with anemia. If there is a reduction in folic acid levels in your body, it could also lead to anemia. Therefore, folic acid supplementation is very good in such cases. We are going to talk about the benefits in males and females and also the foods that are helpful in folic acid supplementation. But let's look at the main role of folic acid. Now, this is a very important supplement, especially when a woman is trying to get pregnant, because before conception, when this is added on to your diet or as a supplement, it helps in avoiding neural tube defects such as anencephaly or spina bifida. All these spinal defects can be avoided in the fetus with folic acid supplementation. In fact, studies have shown that about 60 to 80% defects can be avoided by just folic acid supplementation before conception. Now, it's usually given before conception, before you're trying to get pregnant, until the 12th week of pregnancy, or sometimes it may continue as well. In cases of epileptic patients, the dosage is increased, the duration is increased, and the physician or your gynecologist decides both the dosage and the duration. So, it's very important that you consult your physician when you're trying to include folic acid in your medication as a supplement. In males, let's talk about how it benefits. Like I said, it's very important for cell division and DNA production. So when spermatogenesis is occurring in the testes, the DNA inside the sperms require folic acid for proper formation, proper functioning. Therefore, even during spermatogenesis, from its early stages to the mature sperm stage, folic acid is required for spermatogenesis. So it's a very important vitamin required for spermatogenesis. In females also, like I said, it's very important for avoiding neural tube defects in the fetus. But another very critical role that it plays is cell division, like I mentioned before. When a sperm fertilizes an egg, it leads to a zygote, an embryo. So this embryo, it needs to divide into many cells to be able to form a fetus, which will then keep growing inside the uterus. So everything is related to cell division, and cell division is brought about very efficiently by folic acid. So it's a very important supplement for females as well. Let's look at the food items that have folic acid naturally. You can have avocados, you can have bananas, peanuts, you can have spinach, you can have asparagus. All these food items have folic acid. But if your physician or your gynecologist has recommended that you also include it as a supplementation, because not every day can you have the food items that I have mentioned. So therefore, you need to include folic acid also as a supplementation sometimes. If you want to understand more about folic acid and its benefits and how much dose you should have to improve your sperm count or your egg quality, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.